And as we head into a new phase in dealing with COVID, many counties, including Craven, are making face coverings optional. This applies in their schools. Mask options changed as state health officials say we continue to see a decline in COVID trends, including in hospitalizations.
At CarolinaEast Medical Center in New Bern, they hope to keep that trend down. Now to your side's Caitlin Richards spoke with one of their health officials on how they plan to do that.
At Craven County Schools, a mask option went into effect on Monday. Right now, CarolinaEast Medical Center says that even with these restrictions easing, they are always concerned about another surge.
We're down to 14 COVID positive patients hospitalized today. 3 of those are in the ICU, and only 1 of those is mechanically ventilated. So we are in a much better place than we were 3 weeks ago.
Now Davis just hopes students and staff keep from testing positive during the mask lift.
We saw a lot of kids test positive over the last month or so, but we're hoping not to see as many because there have been, a lot of them do have their own man-made immunity, and then a lot of them have been vaccinated as well.
He adds COVID testing in the emergency department has gone from as high as 40% testing positive to only 5% testing positive in the last week. But there still is concern around another surge.
It changes the way we do almost everything that we do in the hospital. When we have a lot of COVID positive patients, we've closed down units, make more units COVID positive, and cohort all of those patients together. So it makes everything a little more difficult when you're caring for COVID positive patients. And so we're always concerned about another surge.
Which is why they continue to follow every rule and regulation, especially as restrictions lift.
Our goal when patients or people or visitors or anyone comes into the hospital, we don't want to make them sick, give them an illness. So the best way for us to prevent that is to protect ourselves and protect you by wearing our masks and not getting sick on ourselves.
CarolinaEast hopes to be getting to the point where COVID isn't as severe and they can return to normalcy. In New Bern, Caitlin Richards, 9 on your side.